Now, make I talk about the things wey una right. E go better make man no touch woman, but because plenty people dey do sex wey no clean, make each man get im own wife and make each woman get im own husband. Make the husband satisfy the need of im wife and make the wife still do the same thing for im husband. The wife no get right for im own body, but na im husband get am. For the same way, the husband no get right for im own body, but na im wife get am. Make una no stop to give each other wetin be im right, unless una agree to stop for some time, so that una go get more time for prayer and fit come together again, and this one go make Satan no continue to tempt una because una no get enough self-control. But this one wey I talk na something wey una go fit do, no be say na command.